Welcome to Online Quotes and Bookings. This feature is very popular with our customers, so I just wanted to give those of you who may not have used it a quick rundown so you can see how quick and easy it is to use. This page is accessible either from the book or quote button on our website or the Book Now button on our Facebook page. Once here, click this button to get started and enter your address. From this page, you can actually get prices for all of our different services without going ahead and completing a booking. So you just enter all the details that apply for your job. And as you can see, if you hover over your service, it will provide you with an online quote there and then. If you're not ready to or wouldn't like to make a booking, you can just close this page down here. However, if you'd like to go ahead and check availability, just make sure that you've got all of the details of your job entered, so you do get a full and complete quote. Any relevant information will be available when you hover over these buttons. You can also attach photos or include any other details that might be relevant. And from here, to check availability, you just select a time. You can see at the top that there are some suggested times available, and if there's an eco-friendly time slot that involves less travel to your job, so that it's kinder for the environment, it will be displayed with a button like that. As well, there are more times available than the suggested time. You just need to scroll down and find your preferred day. And if your preferred time isn't available, you can't see your preferred time on that day, just make sure you click show more and it will show every single time slot that's available for that day. So if you would like to proceed and make a booking, you just click next, include all of your details, and your booking will be confirmed and you'll be provided with a confirmation email. Simple as that. If we can help in any way, please feel free to let us know.